Hi guys, my name's Toby Price. I race for the Red Bull KTM factory team in the Dakar Rally. Yeah, my thoughts on Saudi Arabia last year for the Dakar was it was quite amazing. The landscape and the areas we got to ride through, sometimes it felt like you weren't really on Earth, and something like the Red Rock Mountains and stuff there, it felt like you were kind of like cruising through Mars a little bit. But yeah, it surprised me. It was I was expecting a lot more dunes, but yeah, we ended up the first week we got a lot of hard packed piste and stony rocky roads. So yeah, it has everything to offer, and now that everyone's got that first year under their belt, they'll get to experience it a little bit better the second year, I hope. Yeah, it's either I finish first or third, so it's a big trophy and a little one, but the way the system goes, hopefully finishing third last year or this year, we go into another Dakar win in 2021. So I'm carrying that lucky number 3 with me, and yeah, look, I'm not superstitious, but we have that number 3, so hopefully that's a helping hand for us. Yeah, look, 2020 Dakar this year in Saudi Arabia wasn't very good for everyone really. So especially in the motorcycle category and myself, it was definitely a challenge to get up every morning and yeah, throw a helmet on your head and go riding for the day. But we charged on, we got to the finish line, we did the best we could with a bit of a crazy event that we had. But we all love motorsport, we love racing and being a part of this whole event. So it's nearly always a guaranteed you're going to come back for more. Yeah, look, we're always excited for this event to come around. It only happens once a year, and this is the main one that everyone wants to win. So yeah, for sure, there's always those nerves. Everyone's wondering what everyone's up to and how they're going to perform, and you don't know until the event kind of kicks off and starts where you position yourself and where everything situates itself at. So yeah, like I say, it's a once a year event. We always look forward to this one coming around, and we can't wait for day one to kick off.